What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your Instagram username. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Changing your Instagram username or handle can give your profile a fresh identity or better align it with your brand. Remember, your username is different from your display handle. It's the @handle others use to find you on Instagram. Start by opening Instagram and navigate to your profile page, which you can do by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the app. Whether you have a creator, professional or personal account, you'll see an Edit Profile button. Tap on it to access your profile settings. To change your username or handle, which is unique across Instagram, tap on the username field to edit it. Keep in mind that once you change your username, your old username becomes available for others to claim. This is crucial if you have a popular or highly sought-after username. After entering your new username, tap Done to apply the changes. Instagram will immediately reflect your new username on your profile. However, be mindful that Instagram only allows a certain number of username changes within a short period, so make sure your new choice is one you're happy with. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.